The Japan Meteorological Agency issued a warning for further storms and heavy rains in the coming days, with the risk of landslides and flooding remaining high. Japan was hit by severe storms and snowfall, which caused significant damage and disruption in several areas of the country. The storm that started on Monday brought heavy rains and strong winds, causing landslides and flooding in many areas. The government sent emergency teams to the affected areas to assist in rescue and recovery efforts. The Prime Minister urged citizens to stay informed and take all necessary precautions to ensure their safety. The storms and blizzards caused significant damage and disruption in Japan, reminding us of the importance of preparedness and resilience in the face of natural disasters. The country has a long history of dealing with severe weather events, and its people and authorities are well equipped to respond to such emergencies.